Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by measuring and rinsing rice to control texture and prevent stickiness. Use the cooker cup and rinse until water runs clear. This removes excess starch. Once done, transfer rice to the inner pot and add water according to the rice type. Note that short grain needs less, long grain needs more. Make sure the inner pot sits flat in the cooker and the steam vent is clear. Plug in and close the lid so you can move to the cook controls next. Now you set the cooker and start the cycle. Choose the correct cooking mode for the grain because timing and temperature adjust automatically. Once selected, press cook and the machine will monitor heat to switch to keep warm when done. During cooking, resist opening the lid since heat and steam maintain even gelatinization of starches. If you need to steam vegetables, use the steam tray above rice with staggered timing. Make sure the power light shows active cooking, then wait for auto switch to keep warm. Finish by letting rice rest on keep warm for 5 to 10 minutes. This equalizes moisture and firms grains. Once rested, open the lid away from your face to avoid hot steam, then fluff gently with the included paddle to separate grains and release trapped steam. This yields light texture. Serve right away or keep covered up to 2 hours. If rice is gummy, a quick rescue is to spread it on a tray and microwave briefly to dry excess moisture. Make sure water ratios are reduced next batch.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.